Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Chief Election Commissioner to visit the state on Friday. Series of meetings with concerned officials and political parties to review poll preparations. BJP changes its stand on regional plan, says no rectification, scrap the plan in toto. BBSM decides to welcome Sonia Gandhi with Black Flags Munch to start voters' awareness campaign against the government. Robbers strike at Betul, loot at gunpoint, jewellery worth 6 lakh rupees stolen. Giant clash lives up to expectation. East Bengal mesmerized Dempo Sports Club. Dempo go down 2-1 after taking lead. East Bengal within 2 points now of league leaders Dempo. And 2 teams from Bangalore could be part of Goa Professional League 3. 4 out of 6 Goan teams confirm participation for GPL 3. Financial restraints holding back Sarvodaya Royals and Mecvac Fabricators participation for the moment. And now the news in detail. Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi will visit the state on Friday to review poll preparations in the state. The 3-member Election Commission will have a series of meetings with election officials and political parties in the state. Assembly election is expected to be held by February end.
Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi, his Associate Election Commissioners V. Sampath and H.S. Brahma will arrive in Goa on Friday to review poll preparations in the state. The Commission will have a meeting with political parties at 3 in the afternoon. They will have a review meeting with district election officers, SPs, election returning officers at 4 in the evening. The Commission will address a media conference at 4:45 in the evening and later have a meeting with the State Chief Secretary and Director General of Police at around 5:30 in the evening. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
BJP has now changed its stand on RPA 2021. They have demanded total scrapping and not just rectification of the plan. Earlier, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar had demanded rectification and not scrapping. But now BJP State President Lakshmikant Parshekar claims that there is a need to scrap the plan in toto.
Within 10 days, BJP has changed its stand on Regional Plan 2021. 10 days ago, opposition leader Manohar Parrikar had demanded that regional plan should be rectified and not scrapped. He had said that if the plan is scrapped now, then it will never be implemented again. But BJP State President Lakshmikant Parshekar claims that plan should be scrapped completely.
जे गोंधळ आणि घोटाळे आणि ज्या प्रकारच्या गोष्टी माहिती लक्षात येतात वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणांसून वेगवेगळ्या ग्रामसभांसून तातूंसून तो अबेन्सनी तो स्क्रॅप करपाच्याच लायकीचो आसा अशें म्हाका दिसता. 10 दिवसांनंतर अनेक गोष्टी हॅव कम टू द सरफेस आणि नवीन गोष्टी फुडल्या 10 दिवसांत अनेक गोष्टी येतल्यो. त्याची ग्रेविटी फटिंगपणा ही इतली आसा की तो स्क्रॅपच जावंक जाय.
BJP has sent 10 questions related to current issues in the state to Sonia Gandhi: illegal mining, regional plan, IT habitat, SEZ, family politics, black money, inflation, medium of instruction. BJP has appealed Sonia Gandhi to answer questions on these issues in a public meeting scheduled on 17 December.
सरकार हांगासरलो पक्ष ह्यो गोष्टी कदाचित सोनिया गांधी पासून लपयत म्हणून आमी काही गोष्टी सोनियाजीच्या निदर्शनाक हाडू इच्छितात. त्यो जेन्ना हांगा 50,000 गोमंतकीयांक संबोधित करतले. पूण गेल्या 7 वर्षांत काँग्रेस शासनान जी पिळवणूक आनी छळवणूक गोमंतकीयांची केल्ली आसा, गोमंतकाचो रास, गोमंतकाच्या अस्तित्वाकच बाधा हाडणाऱ्यो प्रश्न आनी समस्या जेणे निर्माण केल्ले आसात ताच्या संदर्भातले खुलासो ताणें करचो अशी आमची आग्रहाची मागणी आसा.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is gearing up for agitation during Sonia Gandhi's visit in the state. They have decided to welcome her with black flags. Manch claims that Sonia Gandhi has broken her relationship with Goans with her stand on MOI issue.
Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch held a meeting on Thursday in Panji. Manch has charged that Sonia Gandhi is trying to destroy identity of the state.
सोनिया गांधी आता गोंयांत येता तिचें स्वागत करपाची आमकां इल्लीय भावना ना. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी तिणें गोंयांत आतां येवचें न्हय, कारण गोंयकारांच्यान तिचें नातें तुटलें अशें आमकां दिसता. जर ती गोंयकारांची आयडेंटिटीची वाट लावंक सोदता, जर ती गोंयच्या शिक्षणाची आनी विद्यार्थ्यांची वाट लावंक सोदता, जर ती पुर्तुगेजांनी जें डिविजन करपाचें धोरण चलयिल्लें तेंच फुडें व्हरूंक सोदता, जाल्यार सोनिया गांधीच्यानी आमचें कांय नातें ना. आनी हें तिका दाखोवपा खातीर आमी काळे पावटी घेवन तिका प्रोटेस्ट करतले.
They are also annoyed with the HRD Minister Kapil Sibbal's statement made in the state. He had said that he will ask Chief Minister to implement the new MOI policy in the state. BBSM feels that it is an insult of Goans and the High Court's decision.
Announcing grants to English medium schools and not going with that will please no one. There is too much of dilly-dallying. I will speak to the Chief Minister. You need to implement it. आमचो ह्या तिनी वक्तव्याक आक्षेप आसा. कपिल सिब्बल यांच्या कडेन, केंद्रीय मंत्र्यांच्या कडेन आमी एपॉलॉजी म्हणजे क्षमा याचना कोर्टाची आणि गोंयच्या लोकांची मागणी करतात.
BBSM has also decided to start campaigning against Congress government on the backdrop of the assembly poll. Manch has also decided to hold meetings with teachers and parents. They have also appealed artists not to participate in Kala Akademi's Konkani drama competitions. Manch has hinted their support to the BJP. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.